and we are having another R as this upside and this one as downside. Hello everyone, welcome back to Plutus STEM. So today we are going to discuss regarding Cis-Trans Nomenclature of chair form. You might have studied about the Cis-Trans Nomenclature in alkene and various cyclohexane compound, cycloalkane, I have already discussed regarding that. So now we will discuss this Cis-Trans Nomenclature in the chair form. So as we know, this is the chair form over here. So if we visualize over here that we know there are two positions are there, axial and equatorial positions. This one is axial position, let's say, and this one is axial hydrogens. I am just drawing fast. One, yeah. So these are axial position, axial hydrogen. I have just drawn over here, and in this side I will just draw the equatorial position. So hydrogen upside, so below side, this hydrogen below side axial position. That's why at equatorial position we are going to have hydrogen at a below side. So one thing you would have seen over here that axial position upside, then downside, then upside, then downside, and alternate position. We are seeing the main thing over here is the main difference is upside. This is up, then this is down, this is down, this is up, this is up, this is down. In this is up position, this is down position, equatorial. This is up position, this is down position, again up position and down position. So the first, before going to the this terms, that this thing is quite important. I have just make you to revise all these terms, that which position is cis position and which position is trans position. And axial and equatorial also over here we have just differentiated over there. So the main thing over here is that those the very simple thing I am going to do for you. Up, they are going to be cis, down, down position. Those positions which are both upside and upside, these are being termed as cis, and those positions which are coming to be down and down, that are also being termed as cis. But the position which are having one position up and another down, or one first position is down, another is up. So any situation at all position, up down or down up, they will be termed as trans. So we are going to see one by one these different positions and their cis-trans thing. So if we are having a group like this, and we are having a group R, another group R, which means one cis is this is going to be cis, because both the position are upside and upside. This one is also up, this one is also up. So if we see another type of representation, over where we are having one down and this down. So this down position, they are being termed as again cis. But another two more possibilities are like this. This one is R, and we are having another R as this upside and this one as downside. So this is going to be trans. Another trans will be over here when we are having a group like this. This one is upside, sorry, This one is downside and this one is upside. This one is also a trans. Down and up. So this is the way when these are at 1 and 2 position. This is for 1, 2 position. In the similar way, we can also visualize the same concept at 1, 3 position. This is up and this one is up. Again, this one is like upside and this one is, you can say, downside. So this is going to be cis and this is going to be trans. And if we visualize another type of at this 1 and 3 position, this downside and this also downside, so they are going to be cis, and this one where this is downside and this one is upside, so this is going to be again trans. For 1, 3 position, I've just shown you. For 1, 2 position also we have discussed regarding this, and 1, 3 position also, 1, 2, 3. So now we will see 1, 4 position. For 1, 4 position, again 4 possibility will be there. Upside and downside, this will be termed as trans. Downside and upside, this is also termed as trans. So this one trans and another trans is this one, because they are on the opposite direction. Upside, up, down. Trans, up, down. This is up, this is down, this is up, and this is down. So that's why they are being termed as transposition. So this is very, very simple concept, but most of the student, they just do the mistake while confusing with the equatorial and axial position. So in this Cis-Trans nomenclature, we don't need to deal with the equatorial and axial position. We have to just consider regarding the up position and down position. If both the items are upside, then they are being termed as cis, and if they both are in the opposite direction, which means up and down, then they are being termed as trans. In this way, the cis isomers of this 1, 4 position will be, for 1, 4 position, this one is upside and this one is also upside, so this is going to be cis. If this one is upside, if this one is downside and this one is upside, so this is going to be, oh, we have drawn this, this one is also being drawn, so this one is left. Both are the downside, then this one is cis. So these are the all four possibilities, which means we have seen the 12 possibilities over here. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So 12 possibilities I have drawn for the cis-trans position at all the position. We have discussed the cis-trans isomerization at all the position. This so just quick recap we will be doing over here. In this topic, we are going to discuss regarding the cis-trans nomenclature of chair form. In this, we are having this upside and downside at the axial position and upside and downside at the equatorial position. Regarding this, I have told you those positions where we are having the same side, which means same upside, either both the hydrogen which we are dealing or both the groups, R group or CSC group, whatever the group we are considering, must be in the same side, which means either upside or the downside. They are being termed as cis isomer, and if the opposite, they are in the opposite direction, one is up, another is down, that are being termed as trans isomers. So I have discussed for 1, 2 position, when they were having both upside, both downside, they were termed as cis. One upside, one downside, another downside and upside, they were being termed as trans. The same here also, if both are upside, they were termed as cis, and if both are like downside, they were termed as cis. Here, one downside, another upside, one upside, another downside, they were being termed as trans. The same case we have seen over here, down up down trans, down up trans, up cis, down cis. So very simple concept is over here, that you just need to do up or down. This is being termed as cis. Up down at all position is will be termed as trans. So in the next video we are going to discuss regarding the ring flipping, how this ring, cyclohexane ring, flips and converts the one position into the four position, or upside is going downside. That all we are going to see what is the actual happening over there. So that we will be discussing in the next video. That's all for today. Thank you.